There's so much to talk about around container queries, like why they shouldn't work. Something to do with Schrodinger's cat and the way that text flows in lines and blocks, and how hard it is to measure a water balloon without it blowing up in your face. But that's what the workshop is for. You should come to the workshop. But if you just want to start using container queries today, this video is the right place to be. And if you've ever written much CSS, you're likely already familiar with media queries. They allow us to measure the size of the browser viewport, and then we can change our layout based on that measurement. That's pretty cool, but what happens when we put things inside other things, like a sidebar? Now we have a big browser window, but only a little bit of available space. The media query isn't telling us what we want to know. Wouldn't it be great if we could measure the sidebar instead? Well, now we can, and there's just 2 steps. First, we have to define our containers, because water balloons. We can do that using the container or container type property. And then we can change our media query to a container query. There are more powerful queries coming, but these size queries have been well supported in all major browsers for 2 years now. If you're curious about the details and the edge cases and what this teaches us about normal flow or water balloons, join us for the Cascading Layouts workshop April 28 to 30 right here on the internet. We'll cover all that and more over the course of 3 sessions with time for group coding projects and answering all your questions. If you've ever struggled with CSS layout or you just want to improve your understanding of the latest features, we'll help you get the most out of modern CSS with resilient and maintainable layouts that don't rely on third-party tools. I hope to see you there.